Hello, welcome to Financial Minute, another segment of a little bit of financial advice. Today, we will take the opportunity to talk about income reporting for your tax return. We're talking about individual tax return. We do understand there are a few ways if you want to report your earned income, your revenue that you made during the year of the year that you worked. Multiple ways is there are people that work and get paid by paying their taxes as they go, which is in the form of the W-2. There are two major forms that people do get W-2s, not unless you're a business owner, it could be different things. W-2, where you pay your taxes as you go. And the other form of income reporting is the 1099. The 1099 basically are for self-employed people. It could be someone that is a nurse doing some contracting work, which is a different type of income reporting. And we want to look at kind of work on some of the people that really do get paid 1099. For the length of time that I've been practicing as a tax accountant, I've noticed, people do get a little bit bogged down when they do receive 1099, how to get advantage of a 1099. We will do many series about this type of income reporting, but as we know, when we go do our taxes, there are only two forms. The W-2, you pay your taxes as you go. In the 1099, there are multiple 1099s. There are 1099s that report an income that you work for, and there's some other 1099s that kind of passive income, like could be your social retirement, your 401ks, they're earning 1099. Different type of stuff, 1099 dividends, 1099 interest. So, but we're talking about the 1099 NEC. There's another new form of 1099, which is the 1099K. It's a third party kind of thing, but the internal revenue is kind of emphasized into this 1099K, and it's being reported as well as you would say a self-employed person that usually get a 1099 NEC. The one thing that I want to emphasize on, especially on the 1099. Of course, when you have a 1099 income, there are some expenses that you could take off because you are self-employed as a contractor worker. But the W-2s cannot take any expenses because the W-2, they pay their taxes as they go. And sometimes, we get to meet people that do have W-2s and they wonder, well, how come I cannot take expenses out? Because I do travel, I do this, but it's a different kind of income reporting because your taxes are being paid by yourself as you go, and your employer is providing as well for your income. So that kind of makes a lot of things awkward. Whereas the 1099s, NEC, which stands for non-employee compensation, are different. Now, those type of workers, they have their own dilemma that they have to deal with. And we will break that out in a way that the people that do work on these 1099s, what should they do to get the most advantage of the 1099? I've seen so many people have 1099, and when they do their taxes, they do a bunch of write-offs, and they get themselves into a lot of problems without, doing the legal thing. What I would advise someone getting into the 1099 mode, if some of them could, or they want to form a business, even if it is a sole proprietorship, have a name for the business of what you do. You could be a nurse, you could be doing loan services, you could be doing a plumbing services, air conditioning services. You got to have that business structure where you could take advantages through the 1099 that you're getting. And of course, you want the person that gives you the 1099 to give it to the business, not to you personally. okay, to the name of the business, whatever the business that you form. These are some advice that I have given to some people that are kind of guide toward the 1099. I will talk more about these 1099 NEC reporting, the 1099-Q in new segments of Financial Minute. My name is Jean-Marie Olivier. I'm an enrolled agent, a tax accountant. I have a master in accounting, and I've been practicing accounting, bookkeeping, taxes since 1988. Please feel free to give us a call at 954-781-0421, 561-727-2897. I'm sorry, 561-727-2897, or you can send us an email at info@tax1.no. Thank you.